start at the fringe section, create a zigzag parting from fringe to crown. Then create rectangle sections from the zigzag parting. Step 2. Start with the side section, take a diagonal parting and over-direct the hair towards the fringe. Use the point cutting technique to create a guide and repeat this step throughout the entire section. Step 3. Use a small section from the apex and distribute the hair to a stationary guideline. Step 4. Release the next section behind the ear. Take a diagonal parting and comb the hair to the guideline at the apex. Connect the sections and point cut. Repeat this step throughout the entire section. Step 5. Release the next section on the opposite side and repeat step 4 throughout the crown section. Step 6. Comb the hair back into a 90-degree angle. Take a vertical section at the crown to create a traveling guide. Using a razor, cut the hair from the shortest length, increasing the length as you work towards the occipital bone. Step 7. Use the traveling guideline from Step 6 to continue this technique around the entire parietal ridge. Step 8. Create a wide triangle at the fringe. Hold the section with 2 fingers and razor cut the hair slightly below the eyebrow, creating a guide. Step 9. Create a vertical subsection from the apex to the fringe. Project the top layers to the guide and point cutting technique to connect them. Repeat this step throughout the fringe area. Step 10. Repeat step 9 throughout the entire section. This allows the fringe to be cut into a concave shape. Step 11. Comb the sides down and use the razor to cut the sides. Do not connect the sides with the fringe. Pro tip: to remove the bulk at the nape, use the slithering technique with the shear, if necessary.